So, lately I've been hearing a lot of people describing this current moment in time as there's a lot going on. There's a lot going on right now. And I think when we step back, there's always a lot going on, but right now the intensity definitely feels like it's at a bit of a higher level or even like a deeper level. And with that, the next Observing Life's Harmony, the workshop that I do, we're going to be looking at the harmony of good and evil, looking at where these concepts come from and how we see them play out in different situations, in addition to the harmony of overcompensating, seeing how we react to certain situations, gauging our energy, gauging our involvement. I'll have a bunch of artwork on display. New jewelry pieces that I made, handmade personally. So we have some black pearl, lapis lazuli, and I make the tassels from scratch. We have some green aventurine, labradorite, and then some mixed crystal pieces here as well. Really beautiful vibes at the Zula Den, and can't wait to see you there.